Hi, I'm Adrian Fern, CTO and co-founder of Prizsm Technologies. We're a deep tech company that takes data assets, files and the like, shreds them up at the binary digit bit level, and then sends those binary digits to multiple cloud storage endpoints. The point being that if anybody gets into any of those endpoints, they don't have enough of the original binary digits to reconstruct the original file, and thus disclosures that are taking place all the time that we hear about can be eliminated.
I'm Ian Drury, CEO and co-founder of Prizsm Technologies. So my role within Prizsm is to work with all the various parts of the team, both on the technical level, but also on the sales, marketing and operations side as well.
The idea actually came about when Ian and I attended a conference. Quite by chance. We didn't know that each other was going to be there, and having known each other for many years, it was great to catch up. The main concern or conversation that was being had in the conference was about folk wanting to move their data to the public cloud. But the concern was that if you're moving data to the cloud, you're actually putting your stuff onto somebody else's machine, and that made people very uncomfortable. Over a coffee, we thought about this challenge, this problem, and thought, well, why not put something else there instead? And that formed the sort of original idea about Prizsm.
Hi, I'm Alan Hagan, a co-founder at Prizsm and a solutions architect. The issues surrounding how you store your data safely, even if it is currently encrypted, will be coming more and more to the fore in the future.
Prizsm is at a very early stage when we came along, and we're on Cohort 4 of BetaDen. We had a technical demonstrator that worked, and we had our idea from a technical point of view, but our thoughts along marketing, sales, setting up a business, how you organise that, and also the other aspects, accountancy, for example, that are required within setting up a new business, and especially a new technology business, we had very little idea about in reality. What BetaDen did was provide us with routes and access to mentors to understand what's involved in setting up a successful business and to scale that business as well.
I'm Elliot Drury, Operations Director and co-founder of Prizsm Technologies. Being a co-founder, I've been with Prizsm Technologies from the very beginning. It's been really exciting to see Prizsm go from an idea in our heads to a product.
All of the mentors in BetaDen were outstanding. We had a superb amount of support, both in terms of the classroom sessions that we had, but also working one-to-one with the mentors. We've done other accelerators and found that very often the cohort are just on receive mode, and you just sit and listen and you take notes and then you move on. Whereas with BetaDen, it was very, very practical. We were able to spend time doing things like developing our sales process, working out how that sales process can be reflected in the way our website is orchestrated. And the value of just working with these people was tremendous.
But there was also other aspects as well, and that included access to the 5G testbed. We were able to build our Prizsm Edge prototype and demonstrator within that. Presentation capabilities as part of the showcase. We also benefited from access to the meeting rooms, the networks we built up, both with other cohort members, but the mentors and also other organisations that were introduced to us via BetaDen. So the company's implemented many of the aspects that we learned at BetaDen. So these included sales and marketing aspects. We've focused more on that recently. We've grown with extra members joining the team.
Jim Rogerson, Head of Sales, joined Prizsm just a few months ago. We're trying to build awareness of not only our technology, but educating the market about the threats of the future, which are embodied in the quantum technology. But also we're looking to help them understand that there are better, cheaper, simpler ways of storing data that can improve upon what they've got today and improve the efficiency of their business and their profit margin in their business as well.
Quantum computing may well introduce the same problem we have with current encryption now. Prizm is designed to be quantum resistant.
The next steps for us are focusing and putting a lot of extra effort into our sales capability. Business development is coming on at speed.
We've developed a number of partnerships, some via BetaDen themselves. We had a partnership with Ionos, with the data storage there. That was invaluable to us. Also, we've increased our channel to market. We've got a number of partners developed both in the UK and in Europe, but also we're expanding our partnerships with a number of organisations, including Tier 1 providers into various sectors.
We've got Prizm deployed and operational in a number of gentle use cases because it's the sort of thing that needs to have trust built upon. We perceive a really interesting step change in the market at the moment, and we think that the market effectively is catching up with what we've got, and we're hoping to see a big step change in sales and our ability to deliver product.
BetaDen has been invaluable to Prizsm Technologies in its growth and its journey. It added a whole new structure to the business, gave us ideas and support that we haven't been able to get anywhere else, and we would thoroughly recommend any new business that wants to start off to get engaged with BetaDen and learn and benefit from it.